Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Green World Investor. Today's topic for discussion is why futures and options trading is like burning your own money. So why futures and options are hazardous to a normal investor in the trading world? What are futures and options? Why is it so attractive, and why has there been such a tremendous growth in the recent past in these trades? So we are going to take up all these questions through this video. I will encourage my viewers to please write me in a comment if they find any of the content not suitable, or if there is room for improvement, or any other topic they would want to listen about. So please I request everybody to comment on my videos, or you can also email to us directly at greenworldinvestor@gmail.com. Thank you. So let's start the video. So what are futures and options, and why has there been such a tremendous growth, and why are they hazardous to us? So from just 2 lakh trades in FY19 to now 45 lakhs in 2022, there has been a huge jump in F&O trading in the last 2-3 years. So what are the prime factors for the same? Number one was the pandemic. Because of the pandemic, many people were at home. They had a lot of time in their hands. They were free to research and to do try their hands in new options, new trades. So because of COVID, there was a shoot up in these trades in the recent past. Second factor, which led to a growth in the trades, was the availability of accessibility to easy apps. Very convenient, very easy. Just with a click of your finger here and there on your phone, you can make a trade. Kuch tip mila kar diya. Matlab, it's become very easy. So because of these two factors, there has been a very dramatic increase in the number of trades in the recent past. Now, what do we understand by an F&O? F&O, or futures and options, are called derivative assets. Why? Because their value is derived from other asset, other underlying security or asset. So if I talk about Adani Enterprise option February, say, so in this case, the underlying asset will be the stock of Adani Enterprise. Similarly, Adani Enterprise futures February, here the underlying asset is under Adani Enterprise stock. So similar to stocks, we also have commodity derivatives, wherein the value of the derivative is derived from the underlying commodity. Say a wheat derivative. So in this case, the derivative's value will be derived from the underlying commodity, which in this case would be wheat. So this is what we understand by a future and option. Now, why I consider futures and options very hazardous to normal investors? Why? Because they involve a lot of leverage in it. Now, what do we mean? What does this mean? Say you had 1 lakh rupees and you wanted to buy Adani Enterprise ka futures or derivative stock. So in this case, you had to just pay around 10% of the value as a margin to buy that that derivative. So this 10% is not fixed. It can be 15-20%, whatever. But what I am saying, that this involves a lot of leverage, which can also be dangerous for normal unsophisticated investors like us. For us it is a big deal. Because why? Because the leverage will cut you both the way. Agar aapke underlying assets, suppose let's continue with Adani Enterprise options. So in this case, if the value of your stock, if the value of Adani stock price increases by 10%, so आपका value बढ़कर अभी 1,10,000 हो गया आपके stock का, and आपने 10,000 का margin दिया था. So in this case, you make 10K or 100% of the returns. But if the value goes down, then also you will lose full 100% of your investment. So that is why we say that leverage cuts both ways. So prima facie, it will look very attractive to investors ki sirf 10,000 dekar I can have access to 1 lakh ka stock. But it can be very dangerous. So be wary of futures and options, because it involves a lot of leverage. So trading in F&O makes sense for the sophisticated investors or big institutions. It is not for retail investors, in my view. Also, they are mostly used for hedging and other purposes rather than speculation. So history has all proven that investors who trade in FNOs are always tend to lose money. There are many stories of people going bankrupt not only in India but also abroad. So be very careful when you're dealing with them. My advice is to stay away. SEBI has recently shown in a study that about 90% of investors who invested in FNO lost money in 2023. I have shared the link of the study right now, and also you can find it in the description for more details. So out of the 45 lakh trades that were done in the past year, over 40 lakh traders have lost around 1.25 lakhs on an average, and only 5% of the top investors have made 75% of the overall profit. So you can see how skewed that results are. So please, my advice is go through that study. It's a very nice report that SEBI has made, and to make us aware of what are the pros and cons of FNO trading are. So please avoid FNO like the plague. And also I would say that there are many unscrupulous brokers and PMs who will be after your life to trade in FNO, but be very careful because they will make their commission and get out. It will be you who lose your money. So हो सकता है शुरू में आपका beginners luck हो, आप एक दो trades में you make your profits and all, but over the long term you will always tend to lose money in FNO trading. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please for subscribing. You will see a green globe which carries the logo of my brand Green World Investor. Just click on it and it will help you subscribe. I am new to this platform, so please show me some love. Please like my videos, subscribe to the same, and also share it with your friends, circulate in your circles, so that I also get some more energy and more push to make more videos and